Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll be doing a review on the K68 mechanical wireless keyboard. Alright, so let's open it. I did buy this from Amazon for $20 plus tax and shipping. In total it was $30. So this is what comes in the box. You get the bag with all the extra accessories, and you get the keyboard itself right here. This keyboard comes with red switches. Let me get a switch puller. Comes with the red switches. See right there? Red switches. And these switches are actually hot swappable. So you could hook it on there, pull it out. Pull it out. And this keyboard also comes with Bluetooth and wireless connection. So that means there's a dongle right here. You connect into your PC, laptop, or Xbox. Get it back in there, and this is what it looks like: white, orange, and blue. It's the color I got. And looking at what's in the bag, you get one keycap and switch puller. You get a USB-C charger to charge it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, it's wireless. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And it does come with 3 blue switches. I don't know why it's not red switches, but fun to play with. You know, if you break a switch or two, you can replace them. There's 2 more right here. 2 more blue switches. And then the last thing we got in the bag is the manual for it. This is the full name of the keyboard. HWK681. And when we open the manual, you can see all the instructions in here. So if you guys want to pause and read that, it shows all the different like key combinations you could click for like different light modes and all that, and how to use the F1 through 12 keys. On the back shows you how to connect wirelessly and with Bluetooth. So it's a good manual. And going back to the keyboard, that's what it looks like again. And I forgot to mention there's a Mac OS button, so you could click FN and then Mac OS, and that'll connect it to MacBooks or any Apple devices, I guess. So yeah, and then now I'll show you how it sounds and the light modes. And this is what it sounds like. Alright, so now looking at the lights, this is the first light mode right here. Basically stacking all the lights up. And in order to switch the light mode, you press FN and you press this bright button right here. And it switches the modes. So now it's whatever this is, whatever mode that is. Do it again. Another mode. I think it's off now. And then you got like I don't know what mode this is, just fading everywhere. And then next mode. Fades on and off. Pretty cool. Next mode is just the light. That's basically it. And then starts over again. Actually, wait, this is a different mode. Yeah, nice. Okay, it's another mode right there. Then goes like that. And then back to this mode. So those are all the modes. The one downside about this keyboard though is that this is the only color that you get. It's just like a very light blue. So that's one of the downsides. And if you want to turn it off, just press FN, top right, and it turns the lights off, but it still works. So yeah, that's the light modes. So all in all, after all the testing, I could confidently say that this is a really good keyboard actually for the price. only $20 plus tax and shipping. It's a very good deal for a keyboard that has red switches, hot swappable, and honestly, good weight and no rattle. So yeah, if you guys want to buy a good keyboard that has red switches, very cheap, I think you guys should go with this one, the K68 mechanical wireless keyboard on Amazon. So that'll be it for today's video. See you guys next time. Bye.